Is your current camera lacking the latest features like better video quality, enhanced night vision, smarter alerts, or you just want compatibility with newer smart home systems? This is the upgrade you just might need. Tapo has just dropped some seriously cool tech. First, the C660 battery camera kit. This thing is solar powered, so you can mount it pretty much anywhere without worrying about outlets or cables. And the video quality? It's 4K with 18 times zoom, so yeah, you're actually going to see what's going on, not just a blurry blob moving around. It's got full 360-degree tracking, powered by AI, which means it doesn't just spin randomly. It follows people, pets, and vehicles with actual purpose. Plus it knows the difference between them, so you're not just getting spammed with alerts every time a leaf blows past. At night, it switches to starlight color vision, not grainy black and white, but full color footage even in low light. And with dual band Wi-Fi, you can choose faster speed or longer range depending on your setup. Now pair that with the Tapo H500 smart home base and you've got a full-on smart command center. It comes with 16 gigabytes of storage built in, but you can expand it up to an incredible 16 terabytes, so you can record for years without paying for cloud storage or juggling SD cards. It also adds facial recognition to your existing Tapo cameras. Want alerts only when a stranger shows up? Done. And you can view everything from your phone, tablet, monitor, or even a TV thanks to the HDMI port. Your data's encrypted, your alerts are smarter, and the built-in 110 decibel alarm can double as a doorbell chime. It's loud, it's clever, and it's all managed in one app. So if you're ready to level up your home security without the usual headaches, this setup's worth a look. Check out the Tapo C660 camera kit and H500 smart home base at JB Hi-Fi. Pop into your local or shop at jbhifi.co.nz.